Archway monument in Nebraska, in Kearney, Nebraska. And it's a MontgomeryKONE. MontgomeryKONE. Go up to 4. Not bad for 4 floors. This thing's pretty quick. It's not bad at all. This is a nice elevator. A little bit of rollback. Take one more ride. Why not? The funny thing is, this is a MontgomeryKONE. Now, Nebraska, they list the brand, which is nice. This one lists it as a Kone, even though it's MontgomeryKONE. But the funny thing is, there was a MontgomeryKONE at my hotel, and they listed that as a Montgomery. So maybe this one's newer. But it does seem like the same age because it has those buttons and this indicator, same chime. So I don't know why they listed it differently. I'm sure there's a reason. Perhaps Kone does the maintenance now. Well, no, I mean, Kone does the maintenance on both, but I don't know. I'm sure there's a good reason. Ooh, a piano. Nice. And that's it.